Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back in. Take and Bake on the Masterbuilt weekday cook here. It's already 6. Look at this. Look at this. After 6 o'clock already. And I'm going to fire this up and see how fast I can do a take and bake on the Masterbuilt. Stay tuned. All right, Masterbuilt coming up to temp quick. We're going to show you what we use to get it up to temp quick. This is our take and bake Papa Murphy's. I know this is not countrywide. It's a chain, and I just love their take and bakes, folks. And I've done this before where I take it off the cardboard that comes with it. This cardboard is meant to go in the oven. We're putting it in the Masterbuilt. So we're going to try putting it in the Masterbuilt just like this. We're going to follow the instructions, 350, and it should take about 15 minutes. Let's go take a look at what I used to get the fire started. All right, almost up to 300. I tell you what, it amazes me how fast this thing gets a temp. I'm using lump charcoal. Folks, if you're wondering, I use this torch thing. I did a review on this. They sent it to me for free. And the thing is way overpriced, but I really like the way it gets things hot. I just want to show you because this thing is, I tell you what, if you like playing with fire, this thing is actually dangerous. But hang on, I just got it cracked. Watch this. Now listen. Now that's just cracked. Keep it away from all flammable surfaces. Like a jet engine. That's pretty cool, eh? All right, I got the instructions wrong on the temp. It's supposed to be 425, so you can see we are pretty much at 425. There's a pizza. I honestly believe that this thing heats up faster than your oven at home, folks. So here was again a look at this torch. What I like about it for the Masterbuilt is that you can use it at this 90-degree angle. Is really helpful because you take out your ash pan and you just put this in there and let her rip. 30 seconds, you got fired. All right, our wood fire pizza we got set at 425 or 420 right now, and we're still coming up to 420. The pizza's been in for maybe 5 minutes. Let's take a quick look. Oh yeah, look at that. Starting to brown up a little bit. What we're gonna do, folks, is I will check the crust before I'm done, and if I have to take it off that cardboard, it'll be stiff enough by that point I can take it off the cardboard and just put it on the grill grates to get a little bit more of a better crust. One or more to look-sees. All right, about 15 minutes into it, let's take a look at our take and bake wood-fired pizza here. Ooh, looking mighty nice. Check that bottom a little bit. Give you a look-see too. So the bottom is getting nice. I don't know if you can see, it's getting nice and crunchy, so we're not gonna have to do anything. We're just gonna let this continue to cook. Probably about 5 more minutes. Give you a look-see once it's plated up, folks. Oh man, there's our take and bake wood-fired on the Masterbuilt. Yeah, it burns wood, so it's wood-fired, right? I tell you what, that for a take and bake, looks pretty doggone good. Hear the crunch? I don't like soggy pizza crust. That's you know that's not soggy. Give you a look-see here. See if you can taste. Well, see that? Doesn't bend, so we know it's not soggy. And it is not burnt. It is golden brown. That's perfect. I'm gonna eat. Folks, thanks for watching. A quick one during the week. Can you do pizza and make decent pizza on the Masterbuilt Gravity Series charcoal? Yes, you can. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, appreciate you watching. Thanks very much.